guys, we're subjective team. He's Luis Miguel and I'm Alo, and we're gonna present subjective testing. The difference between subjective and objective testament is the scoring. When the student have to use their judgment to answer a question, we're talking about subjective answers. And if the student just have to select one previous answer, not using their judgment, it's objective testing. Also, when we're talking about subjectively, we're talking about unambiguously too. Unambiguously is, for example, that something can be correct for me, but it doesn't mean that it has to be correct for you. It depends on how we think on different circumstances and contexts. We are hearing on our screen different images showing how unambiguously something can be. Like in the first image, you can see two persons almost kissing, or you can see like a chandelier, or on the second one you can see an old lady or a pretty girl, and the other you can see like a passage with a lady walking, or you can see like a face.
Also, for example, in subjective, it says that the impressionistic scoring of a composition may be considered subjective versus a short answer in response to the questions on a reading passage. That means that, for example, when you are going to give a really big test, it doesn't mean that it has the same value as short answer test, since it has more information that you need to use in a long exam. Also, in reliability, it says that objectivity it brings to great reliability. That means that the more clear is the information, the more reliable it's going to be what are you learning or what are you watching. The example that we have of subjectivity is, for example, when you are going to do a pop quiz, it doesn't mean that the pop quiz is going to be considered as a final grade or final exam to completely or fully give you a total score on your course or on the semester or the class that you're getting. Because a pop quiz, it doesn't have all the information, and most of the times a pop quiz is just to see how long or how is the development of the student in the class that you're watching.
So basically, this is what subjective testing consists. I hope you understand, and if you have any question, don't ask.